In this video, let's look at the unboxing and review of Eken H9R. So this is an action camera and you can use it for recording sports activities or adventure activities or adventure sports or tourism or travel. It records in high speed, good FPS. So it can be used in all these purposes. It is waterproof also, so you can record in water sports also and everything else, motorsports. So now let's look at the boxes and the unboxing. So firstly, this is the monopod. It comes with the camera. This is like a mount. You can use this as a mount, or you can use this as a selfie stick, or you can use this as a stick. So it comes with this mount on top, so you can increase and decrease the height as well as set the angle from this mount. This is known as the monopod. And then this is the first box, and this is the second box, and this is the charger. So it comes with this charger and with this type of pin. So now let's unbox this and let's look at how everything comes out to be. Yes, so this is the first box, this is the second box, and these are the two boxes from inside. This is the accessories box, this is the camera box. You can see Eken H9R written here. Wi-Fi connectivity is there, 4K Ultra HD recording, 12 megapixel camera, and waterproof till 30 meter or 100 feet. So this is an action camera from Eken. In the box there is a waterproof housing, frame, one more mount. This is the handlebar pole mount, and this is the remote optional. So this is a 2.4G remote, and this can be used, you can use it for clicking pictures as well as for recording videos from almost 3 to 4 meters, 5 meters also it will work. So you can buy this from eken.com. You can also buy from other websites like Amazon or Bandidos. So you will get this for almost 7,999, or if there is a discount you can get this for 6-7,000 rupees. This is a budget action camera. Now we'll look at the specifications, but before that let's open the camera. Yes, so this is the camera. You can see mode button here, 4K Ultra HD written here, Eken branding. This is the lens, and there is a protection on the lens. So now let's put it on. So you can put it on from the battery. This is a 2-inch screen. You can see action camera written here, and remote is also written. This is the screen. This is a 2-inch screen. You can see everything through it. And after that we will look at here is the battery. So the battery comes in a separate pack. You have to remove this thing and you have to insert the battery in this and then put the camera on. So let's put the camera on. So this is the power button in the front. So you see this is the power button in the front, and you can see this one is the power button in the front. Mode is also written there, and this is the click button, that is the shoot button. So you can start shooting and clicking pictures and videos from here. This is the power light. So you can see there is no card is written here. So no card is written here, and because no SD card is inserted, you can insert the SD card from here, micro SD card. And then this is the power adapter, that is the cable for transferring photos and videos, and this is one more adapter. So all these things are here, and there is, now let's look at different modes. So this is, now it is shooting in 1080p 60 fps. Let's look at different modes. So this is the 12 megapixel wide mode, and this is the settings. This is 1080p 60 mode. There are several modes in this one. So 720p, you can shoot in 720p, 1080p 30 fps, 60 fps, and there is a 720p 120 fps mode. And also there is this camera shoots best in the 1080p mode. There is also 4K recording, but that is interpolated. That is 2K and 4K recording. 2K is also there, 4K is also there, but that is interpolated. So you have to take care of that. And these are the up and down buttons. You can see the photos and videos from here. You can see, and there is this type of marking all around the camera so that you don't lose grip of the camera during action videos. So these are rubber grippings. all around. And then this is the front of the camera, different mode changes. This is where battery is inserted. And build quality of the camera is good, and it records good videos as well as photos. It is a good action camera in a budget, because even if you take GoPro or other action cameras which are very costly, they also don't record very much, like all the details. So this is a good one. And now we look at this, keep the camera here, and now we look at the specifications. So you can see the H9R specifications: Ultra HD 4K plus waterproof plus 2-inch LCD display, video 4K 25 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, that is frames per second, 1080p 60 and 30 fps, and 720p at 180 fps. Super wide angle lens, that is the field of view is 170 degree. So you can see here, wide angle lens, that is 170 degree field of view, so it gives a good view. And waterproof till 30 meter, that is 100 feet. HDMI cable supported for playing the videos and the photos on the laptop and everywhere. 4K Ultra HD recording, and long lasting battery. So then we'll see the dimensions: 59mm length and 24.6mm width, 41.1mm height. So dimensions are quite compact, and you can mount it anywhere. Input output micro USB HDMI, battery 1050 mAh, and it is a good battery. So storage is micro SDHC card. You can use fast cards also, like fast speed SDHC cards, so it will give good results. And then there is a multi-language display and Wi-Fi 802.11, so 802.11. So this is made in China. Eken is a Chinese company. So all these are the features, as well as this is the box. All these are the features. And now we look at the mounts. So this is the waterproof housing which we are talking about in the box. So this is the waterproof housing. See, you can place the camera inside from here, and then you can lock it. So this is the waterproof housing, 100 feet or 30 meter. This is the frame. Then I will show you all the mounts here. So yeah, this is the frame. See, these are all of good quality. And mounts, this is one of the handlebar mounts or pole mounts. You can mount it on the handlebar of motorcycles, bikes, cycles for recording videos. And I will also show you the remote. This is the manual that it comes with, Eken H9R, everything else written inside it. This is the manual, and everything, all the details are given inside it. So if you don't understand anything, you can take help from all these pages. Then I'll show you all the other frames also. Yeah, so you can see this is the 2.4G remote through which we can record videos as well as click pictures. And this is the 2.4G remote. You can do this from 4-5 meters also. So this is a very handy piece, like you can keep the camera anywhere and just record videos and photos. Then these are all the mounts. You can see the different types of mounts. This is also the frame mount, and then these are for sticking it anywhere, like these are stickers, so you can just place this mount and stick the camera on it. This is also the same thing, different mount on the back, and this is also the same thing, and this is also a different mount. This can be installed on the monopod, that is the selfie stick. This selfie stick, you can install it on this also. So this is all about Eken H9R, and there are some more accessories here. So you can see there are 2 batteries. This is the charger. You can place the batteries, or both the batteries, in this one and then charge it. Okay, so this is the charger, and you can place the batteries like this. See, this is the battery. It comes with 2 batteries, 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries. So you can place it like this one battery in this one and the other one in this slot, and then you can charge through this adapter. So it will give you a good timing for recording all these videos. This is a band for the 2.4G remote, that is this remote, 2.4G this remote. You can install this band in this remote, and you can wear it on your hand, so that it is handy, and then it is like a watch, and then you can record videos and photos from here. And this is the transfer cable, USB cable, so you can transfer all your videos and photos anywhere you want through this one. So these are all the accessories And I've shown you all the waterproof housing, the frame mounts, different mounts, and handlebar mount and remote option also, and I've shown you the camera also. So this is the camera again. So hope you found this video informational, and I'll see you in the next video.